Meteorologist Dean Davison live, weatherblogs.com, Storm Surge LLC. Quick radar update. Severe thunderstorm warning here in New Jersey. Move past Bordentown. You can see on a velocity scan, high winds involved with this moving towards Roosevelt, Englishtown, Heightstown, and Freehold in the next 30 minutes. Ton of storms back here in North Carolina, severe warned. Also, nice storm near Danville that was previously severe warned. And this one in Bedford County, now in Campbell County, moving out. We do have storms that we're going to refire back on this line that ought to make it interesting a little bit later on this afternoon. We zoom into the one in Campbell County. We do have some hail, 0.75 south of Alta Vista. This is moving to the east at this current time, as you can see. The storm had a pretty nice core on it as it went through Alta Vista. But you can see it's also now has a gust front along on this, so you're going to get some wind Appomattox south. The SPC does have an area outlined in New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York City, involved with potential gusty winds. The storm moves in from the west. Let's take a look at the meso analysis. As you see, storm potential here. There is some rotation at lower levels. You could get an isolated tornado with this, but wind does increase with height. And you can see here the hodiograph, a right turn. Hail would be also an issue here. With the frozen level only at 10,000 feet, these storms are going to be spiking high, probably about 40,000 feet. So stuff we got to watch out is the Roanoke sounding. The Cape's going to be around 1,500. So it really is not a huge deal as these thunderstorms come this afternoon. Show you some things here to meso analysis. You get this complex ahead. There's the line that we'll talk about later. There's a little bit inside here that probably will refire up as it comes in closer to the Delaware Valley. The sunlight's come back out, so we're going to see some destabilization of the atmosphere. And like I said, we have this line that'll probably strengthen and come through later this evening, 8, 9 o'clock time frame. Your surface stops are out of the south in most cases here, which south and southeast wind in surface or in the atmosphere more stable. Punch at 1,000 Cape here, right east of Roanoke, but like I said, upper levels from the west wind, so there is that turn in the wind with height and the potential for some shearing going on. And these thunderstorms are definitely coming into an environment much better for issues, and that goes the same for New Jersey, where you have a decent amount of issues there. You see in the visible satellite, we are getting some breaks and starting to break up behind this main complex that's developed here in Virginia. So, like I said, next couple hours, we may see some storms. Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Watch out for some severe weather this afternoon.